Here's what I gotta push press in here, y'all. Let me show you. For these CalTracs. So I gotta press them in there. Put some NICs on it. Then I can go ahead and install that rear end back, man. Just save me a little time. Since he had all the tools and set up already, I might as well pay him to do it. Bad boy coming up out of there. Coming up out of there, baby. Don't hit your hand, man. This way. Can't you use that C-clamp to press it out? Yeah, put it back in, yeah. The other one might be a little easier. I got it all together. Oh, Sebastian, man. I met him when I was working at Advance over here. He was a good customer. Now I'm a customer. Look at this one, that's so good. Right. Hard metal. I'll get a good look at what he's doing. Getting it out of there. I would never got that done, man. Shit.
You figured out the old
I wouldn't have been able to do that.
in home.
Right. I needed to.
Yeah, see, you need it more. You can beat it whatever you need. This way, that.
Right.
Because it's much easier to compare
Right.
everything.
Yep.
Well, you want to put them in the car now?
Yes, sir. Oh, Sebastian, man. You the man. Couldn't pay nobody else to help me.
And then when you don't need the bracket, you don't
Yeah, I need that bracket.
Oh, you need the bracket.
Yeah, the bracket goes back on.
Okay.
Yeah, the bracket goes back on. It's another piece that goes inside of there and then the bracket.
Oh,
You know what I'm
you
saying?
got another adapter. than
Let me
this.
show you. It's over here.
So you make it higher.
No, I'm just putting some traction bars on it. I just showed you, just CalTracs. See, that goes inside of there,
The pin,
and then this goes inside of here. And just put
The-
that back on there.
the bolt. Oh, the
Right.
bolt. Okay.
And then you put these on the side of it. You know what I'm saying?
This
After
one?
you, yeah, they go on the side afterwards. You know what I
Oh,
mean?
okay. Make it
Yeah.
like a spacey.
Uh-huh. Yep.